Well, here we have the box that the iBoard step came in. We'll open it up and see what we got. Okay, here's the iBoard step out of the box, still wrapped in plastic. It looks like there's no assembly required. So the iBoard hitch step comes with a reflective tape, a pin, cotter pin, anti-rattle strap and threaded knob, and it's completely assembled. Pretty much all you have to do is slide it in, put the pin in. Three different locations for the pinhole. And right there is where you thread in the anti-rattle bolt. Not sure I needed it, but I added a lock washer and a flat washer. I went ahead and removed the washer and just used the lock nut, or lock washer. It looks good. I like it. Kind of finishes off the back end. Here's the hitch step instructions. Don't really need them because it's already assembled. And tells you what the receiver tube and bracket and the anti-rattle clamp. I never seen an anti-rattle clamp on one before. It looks really good though. I like it. That is all.